Out in the fields where we used to roam, golden nights beneath the skyline home. Barefoot wanderers, laughter in the air. We were kids without a single care. Every step we took felt like a dream. Hands together, crossing every stream. Through the village where the world stood still, we found joy on every little hill. I miss the days we would dance and sway in the rice fields where we used to play, sharing bowls of joy beneath the sun. Those were days that felt like endless fun. Memories linger like the morning dew. In my heart they keep coming through. Village voices in the twilight glow, whisper tales from long ago. Even now I see us in my mind, running free, leaving the world behind. Taste of rice, laughter in the breeze, simple times that brought us to our knees. I miss the days we would dance and sway in the rice fields where we used to play, sharing bowls of joy beneath the sun. Those were days that felt like endless fun.